Hi children. Today I have came here to give some important questions, especially social subject, which is a very vast subject for the 10th class students because we have the number of lessons in part 1 and part 2. But I am going to give you some important questions for 8 marks, 2 marks and 1 mark. How to prepare for the examinations, how to score more marks, especially in map pointing. You are going to get 8 marks only for 4 pointing, 4 locating. What you can able to guess here, everything I'm going to give you important questions in each and every lesson. Not only that, I'm going to explain the lessons very detailedly and shortly that you can understand, and also in the middle I'm going to give some questions. What are the guess questions, how to prepare for the SAT examinations, the final examinations which are going to held in the month of March, and already you have 2 years because of corona. 2 years you have wasted the time, but this time maybe the 6 papers, maybe the 11 papers, but you should be prepared very well to get more marks. Okay, thank you. In the next video I'm going to give you in each and every lesson important questions and also detailed questions. Okay Nana, bye.